What up? There's the start from my doorway, and I'm about to walk to the end of the driveway so y'all can see what's really good. It's the most snow probably in my lifetime, at least for me. So you could go through here, you could go through there, see the mountain, the snow, but I'm gonna go through here because all of this is blocked. This was done by us young fellas, know what I mean? You know, we don't look at the problem, we look for the solution. See, there goes my car, they all stuck, nowhere to go, but look, all of this is blocked. Crazy, I'm just getting some footage for the craziness. This dude is just beasting it. This is beasting it. That's good. Ah, thanks. Look at this. The impossible. They did it. Yep.